From royal jousts to cosmic explosions, June 30's unbelievable tales. Welcome, time travelers. June 30 has hosted royal mishaps, daring tightrope walkers, and meteor detonations that reshaped history's trajectory. Smash that subscribe button and join our daily odyssey. Each date hides secrets more astonishing than the last. Number 20, during a joust on June 30, 1559, King Henry II of France was impaled through the eye by fragments of Gabriel de Montgomery's lance, succumbing to his wounds 10 days later and shocking Europe. Number 19. After a 15-day siege, English forces under the Earl of Cumberland compelled the Spanish-held Castillo San Felipe del Morro in San Juan, Puerto Rico, to surrender on June 30, 1598, altering Caribbean power dynamics. Number 18. On June 30, 1688, 7 English nobles, dubbed the Immortal Seven, wrote to William of Orange, inviting him to invade England, sparking the Glorious Revolution and transferring power from James II without widespread bloodshed. Number 17. During the 7 Years' War on June 3, 1758, Austrian forces ambushed and destroyed a Prussian supply convoy at Domstadtl, crippling Frederick the Great's army and showcasing the power of well-executed logistics warfare. Number 16. French acrobat Charles Blondin crossed Niagara Falls on June 30, 1859, perched atop a 1,100-foot tightrope. He paused midway to cook an omelet, proving both his balance and bravado to astonished onlookers. Number 15. On June 3, 1860, Oxford's museum witnessed a fierce public debate between Bishop Samuel Wilberforce and biologist Thomas Huxley over Darwin's theory of evolution, setting the stage for modern science versus faith discussions. Number 14. President Abraham Lincoln signed an act on June 30, 1864, granting Yosemite Valley and Mariposa Big Tree Grove to California, upon the express condition that the premises shall be held for public use, resort, and recreation. Number 13. Canada's first transcontinental train departed Montreal on June 3, 1886, bound for Port Moody, British Columbia. This epic journey linked Atlantic and Pacific coasts, catalyzing settlement and national unity across vast distances. Number 12. Steelworkers at Carnegie Steel's Homestead plant near Pittsburgh initiated a bitter strike on June 30, 1892. Armed Pinkerton agents clashed with laborers, foreshadowing America's turbulent labor rights battles. Number 11. A devastating fire on June 3, 1900 engulfed 3 passenger steamships docked at Hoboken, New Jersey. Over 200 people perished, and hundreds more were injured in one of America's deadliest peacetime maritime disasters. Number 10. Albert Einstein submitted on the electrodynamics of moving bodies on June 3, 1905, introducing special relativity and redefining concepts of space and time, foundations of modern physics. Number 9. A massive explosion flattened some 2,000 square kilometers of Siberian forest on June 3, 1908. The Tunguska event remains the largest impact event in recorded history, likely caused by an air-bursting meteoroid. Number 8. On June 3, 1912, a tornado struck Regina, Saskatchewan, destroying hundreds of buildings and killing 28 people. Canada's deadliest tornado forever changed building codes and emergency response protocols. Number 7. The world's first official emergency telephone number 9909 went live in London on June 30, 1937. This simple code would become a blueprint for global emergency communication systems. Number 6. A TWA super constellation and a United Airlines DC-7 collided mid-air above Arizona's Grand Canyon on June 30, 1956, killing all 128 aboard both airliners and prompting sweeping aviation safety reforms. Number 5. Belgian Congo officially gained independence on June 30, 1960, becoming the Republic of the Congo, Leopoldville. Celebrations quickly gave way to political upheaval that would shape Central Africa's future. Number 4. Cosmonauts Georgy Dobrovolsky, Viktor Patsayev, and Vladislav Volkov died on June 30, 1971, when their Soyuz 2 capsule depressurized during return, still the only humans to perish in space. Number 3. To correct Earth's slowing rotation, the world's first leap second was inserted at 23:59:60 UTC on June 30, 1972. This adjustment keeps atomic clocks and solar time in sync. Number 2. On June 30th, 1973, Concorde 001 chased a total solar eclipse across Africa at 1,350 miles per hour, witnessing over 7 minutes of totality, far longer than any ground-based observer could experience. Number 1. On June 30th, 2019, U.S. President Donald Trump became the first sitting American president to set foot in North Korea, stepping across the demilitarized zone into Panmunjom in a historic diplomatic gesture. Tomorrow, July 1, will uncover the tale of a vanished library that held our oldest manuscript, an accidental prescription that cured a plague, and a covert spy swap on a luxury yacht. Subscribe and tap the bell. Get ready to dive into tomorrow's jaw-dropping history that even textbooks left out.